If Evernote is not working for you right now, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to your notes as fast as possible. We'll check for outages, restart the app properly, make sure your internet connection is stable, sign out and back in, and finally test whether a VPN or firewall is causing the problem. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes. Let's get started. First, before changing anything on your device, check whether Evernote itself is having a problem. Open your browser and go to statusevernote.com. This is Evernote's official status page, and it will tell you if there is a service outage, a partial disruption, or scheduled maintenance. Look carefully for any down message, alerts, or incident notices. If Evernote is experiencing an outage, the issue is not on your side, and the best fix is simply to wait until the service is restored. In that case, there is nothing wrong with your app, and troubleshooting too early can waste time. If the status page looks normal, the next step is to restart Evernote completely. This is one of the easiest fixes and often solves temporary glitches. Close the app fully, not just the window. If Evernote is still running in the system tray or background, right-click the Evernote icon and choose Quit Evernote. This makes sure the app is fully shut down instead of hanging in the background. After that, reopen Evernote and try your action again. A clean restart can refresh the app and clear minor sync or loading issues. Now let's check your internet connection. Evernote depends on a stable connection to sync notes, load content, and connect to your account. If your Wi-Fi is weak, unstable, or dropping in and out, Evernote may appear frozen, fail to sync, or stop loading properly. Try opening another website or app that needs internet to see if the connection is working normally. If needed, reconnect to Wi-Fi, restart your router, or switch to a stronger network. Once you're back online, try syncing in Evernote again and see if the issue is resolved. If Evernote still is not working, the next fix is to sign out and sign back in. Sometimes your session can get stuck or outdated, and refreshing your login can solve the problem. Click your profile icon inside Evernote, then select Sign Out. After you sign out, close the app if needed, then reopen it and sign back in with your account. This forces Evernote to create a fresh session and can fix login issues, sync failures, or strange app behavior. If your notes load correctly after signing back in, then the problem was likely just a temporary account session issue. Another possible cause is a VPN, firewall, or security app blocking Evernote from connecting properly. If you use a VPN, try turning it off temporarily and test Evernote again. Some VPNs can interfere with syncing or make the app think your connection is unstable. Also check whether your firewall or antivirus software is restricting Evernote. If so, temporarily disable it just long enough to test whether the app works normally. If Evernote starts working after turning off one of these tools, then you'll know the security software was causing the conflict. At this point, one of these steps usually solves the issue. Start with the outage check, then restart the app. Verify your internet, sign out and back in, and finally test your VPN or firewall settings. That simple order will help you narrow down the cause without wasting time. If you want more easy tutorials like this, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And if this video helped you fix Evernote not working, give it a like. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.